This is Joe from iWorld Apps, and today I'm going to be teaching you to make a Hello World application. Okay, let's jump straight in. I'm going to open up Xcode. Okay, and click on create a new Xcode project. This wants to be a view-based application, and this wants to be for the iPhone. You don't want iPad selected. Probably go into that in later tutorials. Okay, and we're going to call this Hello World. And save. Okay, and welcome to Xcode. Full screen this, drag this out a little bit so we've got a bit more room to see. Okay, we'll open up Hello World View Controller.h. Okay, this is where your outputs and inputs will be created. Outputs up top and inputs down bottom. Okay, so I'm going to create an IB outlet. This is going to be a UI label. I'm going to call this label. Remember to do Shift and 8 for the star key before you write the name of the output. I'm going to create another IB outlet. It's going to be UI text field, not view. I'm going to call this text in. Okay, so we've got an IB outlet UI label called label and an IB outlet UI text field called text in. Okay, so we just need an action. Call this IB action, and it will be a button. Okay, Command and S. Okay, go into resources and load up the interface builder. Hello World View Controller.zip. Okay, so drag these out so you've got a bit more room. So you are going to need a couple of things. You're going to need the library and the inspector. If these don't appear, just click on Tools and click on Set Buttons. You're going to need a label, rounded rect button, and a text field. Okay, so drag these out top, make them look pretty. Yep. Okay. I'm going to call this the Go button. Yep. Drag this right out as well. Okay, so we've got a UI label, UI text field, and we have our button. So we're going to connect all these up to the Xcode. Click on Files Owner. I'm going to link label to label. I'm going to link the text in, that's the UI text field, to the text field. And we're going to connect the button to, you guessed it, the button. This wants to be touch up inside. This means when your touch is released, it will perform the actions. Okay, save that, minimize it, and go to Hello World View Control.m. Okay, you want to delete this. Don't need this now. Okay. Need IB action button, and in this space we want to put open square brackets, label, set text, capital T for the first T, colon, open square brackets, text in of type text. Close both square brackets and in the line. So what we're doing is we're setting the label to text in field. So whatever's in the label, whatever's in the text in field will then display on the label. Save this, build and run. Okay, let's try it. You can type on your keyboard or you can type down below. Hello World, go. As you can see, it has appeared below. Hello Universe, go. Okay, but as you can see, if you click the return key, nothing actually happens. We want this to resign, as it does in many applications. Okay, so we can go into the .h file, create another action. This is an IB action, we call it dismiss. Okay, and save this and go back into Interface Builder. Okay, go into Files Owner and link dismiss, to the text field, and this wants to be did end on exit, first one. Okay, save this and quit this. That's Command and Q to quit. Okay, in the .m file, we want to tell it what to do when it runs the action. So we want IB action dismiss. And what we're going to tell it to do is text in square brackets, resign first responder, close square brackets. Okay, Command and S, I'm going to go ahead and build and run. Okay. Now just type in hello world again. See the go button still works, hasn't affected that in any way, we haven't touched the code for that. But when you click the return key, it disappears. Okay. You can also hit it on your actual keyboard. So you can also press enter. 2. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe, we'll be back soon with more.